You gonna pull right there.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You gotta be kidding. Oh my gosh.
Mm-hmm.
Everything's floating away. Did it go inside the school?
Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Let's see, like, here's the doors. And obviously.
That is crazy.
You can see it start to.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
And there's Mikey's cones. Let's see.
There's cones float away. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh.
That's backwards.
Oh my God. Look at the top of the hill.
Uh-huh.
What day was that?
Yesterday?
Oh my Lord. That is unreal. And it starts creeping up to the door, I bet. Or did it?
That's the front door. I don't think it did, but look at this. There's your picnic tables.
Why am I laughing? That's terrible.
That's a lot of water.
That's a lot of damn water.
Yeah.
Oh my Lord. Well, get your floaties. Unreal.